Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made, as it was, once again, a very nice bounce. Crazy to think that really not that long ago, this thing was sitting down here below $4, and now it actually, pushed up slightly above $7. But pointer being, updates need to be done. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning and just get rid of these lines. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible going forward. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into Thursday, that 625 mark, going to be that ideal level of support. And so far, so good. You can see that's where the price bounced off of a couple of times today. So a classic example there of that resistance acting as support. But that's also the ideal level. When we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the best? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 625, that would be great. But if the price falls below there, that does not mean the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could stay above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. Everyone must visualize that. That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 625 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance are concerned going forward, let's squeeze down the chart here. Next key overarching level. Well, really two main levels, the first being the near term and then the overarching level. So that first near term level is just simply where the party stopped today, and that was right up there at $7.15. So $7.15, that initial level, but if the price can break up through there, the next key overall level to keep an eye on right up there at $8.15. But all in all, the bounce continues, so we'll see how much more momentum this thing can generate to the upside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.